Panic spread across markets as inflation in the United States soared, with the energy market being the only exception. Crude continues scoring gains in spite of the possibility of a larger than expected rate hike by the US Federal Reserve. Unlike other instruments, crude prices do not depend on monetary policy. They rely solely on political factors. Since Europe intends to phase out Russian energy supplies, the risks of a total transformation in the energy market are growing day by day. So, supply chain disruptions are inevitable. Nevertheless, supply chains will eventually stabilize. Meanwhile, transportation costs will keep rising due to longer and more complex supply chains. Therefore, the world economy may now be on the brink of an actual energy shortage. This is what has been driving up crude prices. If the situation does not change anytime soon, oil prices could soar to $130 per barrel. According to the chart, Brent is again on the rise after a brief pullback. The bullish cycle is likely to extend should quotes stay above $124 per barrel for a long time. Otherwise, the market may trade sideways in the short term. Gold went down amid continuing inflation in the United States. The Federal Reserve is now likely to hike rates even more aggressively, which may also lead to a spike in the US government bond yields. Financial markets are already preparing for this event by closing positions on almost all instruments, including safe havens. A lot will depend on a statement by the US Central Bank tomorrow. Should the regulator also announce a 0.75% rate increase at the meeting next month, gold will gradually drop to $1,800 per 3 ounce. Alternatively, quotes may consolidate around $1,840. Speculators found not to see in gold prices. In a relatively short period of time, quotes soared by $45 and then plunged by $65. At this point, the market is in a technical correction from the swing low of 1,808, which is confirmed by the oversold status of the asset. The Russian ruble is one of the ZUS currencies, unaffected by the US inflation results. In fact, it kept strengthening as the Central Bank of Russia eased the benchmark rate less than expected. What's more, the issue of the sale of foreign currency earnings is still up in the air. Since the CBR has not cleared things out, pressure on the market will continue to increase while the ruble is getting stronger. This means that the market is unlikely to enter a correction even for a brief moment. Likewise, the current exchange rate of the ruble is harming the Russian economy. Certainly, the global strengthening of the US dollar will have an effect on the Russian currency in one way or another. It may well happen that the ruble soon rises above 60 per dollar. However, the currency is unlikely to extend the move further. Despite its heavily overbought status, the ruble keeps ascending. Should quotes consolidate below 55.80, the volume of short positions will increase and the Russian currency will head further up. If so, the current situation will get even more complex as the stronger ruble is not needed at this point. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.